test for aromatic primary amine. So in this test, we have to take 3 test tubes. One is test tube 1. We have to take sodium nitrite in water. Sodium nitrite in water. Test tube 2, aniline in dilute HCl. In third test tube, I have to take beta-naphthalene in sodium hydroxide. Kindly follow. Sodium nitrate in water in one tube, aniline dilute HCl in another tube, beta-naphthalene sodium hydroxide in third tube. Next. So what will happen now? When you add sodium nitrate and HCl in a test tube, we are getting a nitrous acid. Just see here, we are getting a nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is produced in the reaction mixture by the reaction of sodium nitrate with HCl. This is the reaction in test tube 1. Number 2, so what will happen now? When you take aniline in the second tube, then we have to add dilute HCl. So then when you add this sodium nitrate, that is nitrous acid, into this, the corresponding primary amine aniline, benzene diazonium chloride is prepared or formed by reaction of aniline with nitrous acid at 0 degree Kelvin. The conversion of primary aromatic amine into diazonium salt is known as diastrization. Kindly follow. Here we have aniline. When we have aniline and when you treat sodium in HCl, that is nitrous acid is formed, and we are getting the diazonium chloride, yellow color, the solutions, sodium chloride and water. So when you mix test tube 1 and 2, we are getting this. So all the 3 tests we have to keep in ice water. That is, and after attaining to the temperature 0 degree, we have to mix the third test tube. Now what will happen now? To the diazonium chloride, kindly follow, it is formed by mixing test tube 2 to 1 or 1 to 2. I am adding the third test tube, which is nothing but beta-naphthalene sodium hydroxide. So now a condensation reaction taking place. A dye, red dye, it is formed. See, this is the beta-naphthal. If we are getting this is a red dye, it is called azo dye, it is formed. Kindly follow. This is the most important test for aromatic primary amine. Thank you. Dear students, I am going to perform now next test for amine test, specifically aromatic amine test. In the aromatic amine, aniline is the aromatic compound, phenyl group, C6H5NH2 group. So the specific test is dye test. Here we have to use 3 reagents. 3 tests we have to take. Test tip 1, kindly follow, sodium nitrite in water. Sodium nitrite in water. I am keeping in the ice water. Kindly see, there is ice. Then, and we have the aniline in dilute HCl. Aniline in dilute HCl. And third test show beta-naphthal in sodium hydroxide. Beta-naphthal in sodium hydroxide. So what we have to do now, by keeping all the 3 test tubes, see the temperature. You should attain 0 degree. Now, what I can see first, I will tell you later. The test now, the temperature is almost, the room temperature is 36. It is coming now 9.5. Kindly follow. It is now coming 9.5. So, I am still waiting to attain 0 degree centigrade. Kindly follow. To attain 0 degree centigrade. After attaining 0 degree centigrade, what I have to do now? I have to add test tube 1. That is sodium nitrite. That is in water. To add to the dilute HCl water, I will get diazonium chloride yellow solution. To that, if I add beta-naphthalene sodium hydroxide, I can get automatically a red dye will get, a crystalline dye will get. So I will keep a few minutes to attain 0 degree. Now the temperature you can see it's only 8 or 9 degree. You can see here it has come down from 36 room temperature. It is now coming to 0. So I will wait for few minutes. After attaining 0, I will mix against you can see. Now, after that is 10 minutes, the 0 temperature is attained. So what I have to do now? I have to add sodium nitrite in water to the correspondingly aniline in HCl. Kindly follow aniline in HCl. So I am adding. Kindly follow. So, what you are getting now? A corresponding yellow precipitate. Now, to that, now you add the corresponding beta naphtha in sodium hydroxide. Beta naphtha in sodium hydroxide, you will get a red dye. Kindly follow. You are getting a red dye. See? You can see the red dye. I will stir and show you. Stir and show you. Kindly just see that it is now getting the corresponding red dye. See, after stirring, the red crystals are settling at the bottom. Can you see? Red dye crystals are settling at the bottom. This we can filter and keep on the table. But when you are mixing this solution, it should be done at 0 degree. That is the most important. See the red dye? Thank you.